Not doing it.
You should. It's so weird.
Hello.
We're on our way to the dog park.
Dogness Park.
We just went to Home Depot, got some home improvement things.
That's
so
right.
we're gonna be doing some projects tonight.
Yeah, we are. Well, we're gonna take some before and after videos of it, and while we're working.
Yep.
Like while we're going at it videos.
While we're going at it.
I mean, you won't see any of that. It's gonna be G-rated going at it.
Going at home improvement things.
Yeah, home improvement. Taking out the cabinets, and turn them into from old, worn out wooden from the 50s cabinets to modern white, gently sanded cabinets.
Matthew and I got our hair done yesterday.
Short, clean on the sides and
Mine
lots on top. I got a lot of hair on
Mine
top.
has more blonde.
Mine has extreme amount of bounce.
Nah, but mine does. So we're doing our work.
And we just finished, well, let's show everyone. Let's show everyone what we just did.
Okay.
Alright, so we're coming over here. We're just doing this bathroom. She just painted it all.
Painted the first
Looks
coat.
good.
They still have to do another
This
coat.
is the tiniest bathroom in the world, but it's our substitute bathroom. It's a backup one. Yeah, just painted it all white. Nothing much, but it's gonna look good. A little bigger project. This is our kitchen. And yeah, our cupboards. We're gonna redo our cupboards here. We just fixed that light. Now it's all bright again.
Yep,
It's kind of
it was
nice.
Completely broken.
Didn't even work.
And now doing the cupboards and around that door,
So
we're
as
just
you
full
can see the
of fixing.
we got this right here. Yeah, that. It's from working hard and sanding. I've sanded that part so far out of. I've got a lot of stuff.
Blue skies.
And Dutch bows.
We just got out of church and now we're getting coffee.
Then we're going to the dog park.
We're at the dog park again. These guys are pretty excited, but they're the only dogs here. We've taken a little break from all of the painting of the cabinets because we ran out of paint and because our weekend was over, so we've been working, but we just went to the Home Depot. We bought more paint because we needed more than 1 gallon. I think we only need like one more coat because they're pretty white. Yeah, just gonna do the finishing touches and I'm gonna finish it today. So I will show you when I'm done. Ooh, look at that kitchen. Have officially 95% finished our cupboards. Woo! It's very exciting. You see all that? All that white? We still have a little bit of touching up to do, but for the most part, we're done. All in all, I wouldn't really recommend the project unless you have a lot of time to burn. Ended up being a little too much time for us, but hey, at least it's mostly done. Anyways, just want to update you guys, let you know I'm gonna upload this video today, And this weekend we are going to Quinn's Hot Springs in Montana, so we will film a little bit while we are there.